One of the amazing things about Vizhen is that it can support extensive terrain and even complex building forms without any loss of speed. In this example, some of the peaks you'll see are over 20 miles away. As you can see here, with Vizhen, you can toggle on and off existing versus proposed conditions, or even multiple alternatives. Vizhen allows you to see how shade will affect adjacent properties. In this mountain condition, the building's shadow will make snow removal much more difficult through much of the winter. There are several tools to measure distances in Vizhen. The height net is shown here. It lifts the ground surface to allow you to measure the relative height above grade. In this case, the height net has been raised to 63 feet to show how much of the buildings are above the zoning height. In this example, the height nets vary to reflect the height maximums in various zones. Drawings can also be incorporated into the model to illustrate improvements or plans that are not yet built. Let's say you want to identify a view corridor from a location such as this intersection. In Vizhen, we can outline the view object, such as a ridgeline in the distance, and trace laser lines back to the viewpoint. Building forms can then be moved or constructed to test how well they conform to the view corridor or preservation lines. While using the model, you can reposition objects, such as this building, to test variations such as height without having to re-import the object. The virtual tape measure is another effective tool to measure dimensions within the model, such as the height of a building element, or the length of a shadow, the length of a slope, or the pitch of roof. This may seem a little strange, but we're bouncing these items on the model to show that the model has physical properties, a physics engine for you geeks out there. This is important to enable the viewer to stand on or against an element of the model, such as a balcony, to verify views, for example. Since you can use all of the features of Vizhen yourself, there is an on-screen help menu revealed by a keystroke to show you how to operate the various features. In an inset frame, the view cone always shows you where you are and which direction you're looking. You can also use the view cone to quickly zoom yourself to any location. We've inserted a test pattern toggle in Vizhen to allow you to demonstrate that your projection is not distorted.